an All India rank of 31 in the May 2019 CA Foundation exams. Trisha not only imparts qualitative education to the students, but they also conduct often certification courses, soft skill programs, etc., which help in the overall development of the students. They have faculties coming from different parts of the country who make sure that the best is reaching their students. In my opinion, for a CA plus BCom course, I believe Trisha to be the best choice.
My name is Shreya Shashidhar Salyan. I took classes for CA Foundation from Trisha Classes Udupi. I have secured All India rank 38 in the CA Foundation exams held in the month of November 2019. Trisha faculty, apart from giving the best professional training, is very supportive and instills a sense of positive learning experience in us. I'd like to thank Trisha and I'm grateful to be a part of this institution. Presently, I'm taking coaching for CA Inter from Trisha classes and also pursuing BCom second year from Trisha Vidya College, Udupi. Thank you.
I am Sri Krishna Sharma. I am student of Trisha classes for CA Intermediate and BCom. I have taken coaching for CA Foundation exam. Trisha classes has provided well experienced and expert faculties for all the subjects. This helped me to secure All India rank 43 in Foundation at my first attempt itself. So I believe that if you really have the will to become CA, Trisha will definitely shows the way to achieve it.
Greetings all, my name is Shabri Shetty. I am from Shimoga. I joined Trisha classes in April 2019 for CA Foundation batch. Initially the classes took over for 2 to 2.5 months. Later we had a study tenure of 4.5 to 5 months along with BCom classes. So this one beautiful journey of CA Foundation was possible only with due efforts, help and guidance from Trisha Institute and nevertheless the faculty. Thank you all and wishing all the best to all the CA aspirants.
I am Prahlad Rajiyakundi and I am student of K2 Learning since 2018 and I have taken coaching for both my CA Intermediate and CA Foundation examination. I have cleared both of them in my first attempt and it is all because of K2 Learning and its best faculties. Faculties there not only provide you with knowledge but also they motivate you a lot. And one of the best thing in K2 Learning is that there's fun and as well as learning, which is very important for a CA student. So, if it's CA coaching, then it is definitely K2 Learning.
I am Shripad Rajiyakundi, a student of K2 Learning since 2018. I have studied both my CA Foundation and CA Intermediate in K2 Learning and managed to clear both of them in my first attempt. The credit definitely goes to K2 Learning Institute. The faculties there not only concentrate on your academics, they also teach you to boost your self-confidence and never give up on your efforts no matter what happens. So if you are a CA aspirant, K2 Learning is a perfect place because it connects you to your future.
Hello, I am Shreya Shenoy, a CA Intermediate and BCom student of Trisha classes. Trisha is the best institute when it comes to professional studies relating to commerce education. Trisha has been very much supportive for me. Here, there are best faculty to train us to help us crack the professional exams in the best way possible. Trisha is definitely helping us to achieve our wonderful dream of becoming a successful professional.